to another video, and welcome back to the Gaming Bros. Right now we're doing a freaking vlog out here. We are out in the middle of a bout. We are watching some freaking fireworks. Look at this.
Yeah, that's how you get your channel.
Beautiful.
You gotta stay on the channel.
Beautiful, my guy.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah. This is all beautiful right here. Got him again. Oh, I'm sorry, Sam.
Mwah.
Woo. Woo.
Boy.
That one. Got him. Look at that. Trey, what do you think of this? It's lit. Bravo. What's up, bro?
Beautiful. Look at
Bravo. Awesome. So beautiful. It's just awesome, dude. I wish I could see y'all here, bro. I wish I could see. Do you see? It's bravo.
Beautiful.
Bro, stay right there, bro. Oh. That's more beautiful than he said. He's not scared of him no more. Woo! Yeah.
That one was great.
Oh yeah. Guys, my birthday is coming up July 29th. This year I'm turning 12. He about to be coming. Yeah, bro, it's about to be lit, bro. I love all y'all. I just wanted to make this video, bro. Make sure, please, more people subscribe and like and hit that like button. And I ain't got no comments. I ain't editing this video. This is too beautiful. I love all y'all. Peace. One more, hold up. One more perfect one. One more perfect one. Promise.
Uh-oh.
3, 1, 2, 3. See y'all, bro. Love y'all. Peace.